Today, we will be learning about NC-Simul's new graphing function. It is available for all 3, 4, and 5-axis milling and turning operations. If it is not a default tab in the information window, you can find it by navigating to the display ribbon, information windows, and graphs. The time in seconds is presented along the x-axis, and the feed rate by minute variable is displayed along the y-axis. By default, each tool will cut in a different color so that you can ensure all of them are engaging properly. If you want to change the color of this output, identify which tool is active, go into your tool library, select More, then the Parameters tab, and choose the color of your liking. Once the simulation is refreshed, you can observe the changes. In addition to the feed rate by minute that we are currently viewing, you can add a number of various variables to track. Click on the Parameters cog and you will get a drop-down for the choice of components to view. In this case, we are going to add spindle speed and hit OK. You can toggle between the track components by clicking on the title icon, or you can choose to view them on the same axis simultaneously. You can zoom in and out to view the different portions of the graph, and when done, zoom to fit once again. From the graphing window, you are able to jump around anywhere within your program by clicking and dragging the mouse slider. You can also click on each of the tool icons to jump tool by tool between changes. All 3 windows, the program, the graph, and the display, update dynamically so that you can view exactly what is happening at any given time in the program. Additionally, the executable icons also work with optional and full stops. To view this, click on the Quick Edit icon in the program window and manually add an M00 to the G-code. When the code is updated and you navigate back to the Graphs tab, there's a new icon that will jump you directly to that stop point in your program. Finally, you can easily export all of this data by taking an image capture and finding the resulting file in the Output tab of your Resources window. You are also able to export the entirety of the data values to a CSV file, open it in Excel, and when formatted, have a full readout of the program motion. And that is the brief overview of the new graphing function in NC-Simul. It is very useful to move backward and forward in a program, verify that your toolpaths are in the correct location and orientation, and get a visualization of the motion without having to run a full material removing simulation.